Kararating lang ni Lakay galing ng bazaar, Rawlacot City. Bumili siya ng mga kailangan for today. So ito yung mga pinamili niya. Ito loya, hindi ko alam kung magkano pero mahal itong loya. Adrak tawag nila dito sa Pakistan Ordo. Kung sa Ilocano naman ay laya tawag namin. Tapos bumili din siya ng mga lentils, mga seeds. Ito yung fenugreek seeds. Masarap ito ihalo din sa mga chicken curry o kaya beef curry or mutton curry. Ayan. Ito yung coriander seeds. Ito naman yung cumin seeds. Ito ay yung iba itatanim nila kay. Ito yung fenugreek. Masarap ang dahon ito. At saka ito yung coriander leaves, coriander seeds, parsley. Ito tomatoes, 2 kilogram yata ito. Mura lang ang kilo. Siguro nasa 100 rupees ang kilo. Sa Pilipinas, 20 pesos per kilo. Saka banana, bumili din siya kasi kahapon yung binili niya lang na prutas ay oranges, sweet melon at saka apples. Yan, green chilies. Ingat na natabulan niya sa labas. Ayan, green chilies. Mura lang siguro itong green chilies. At saka ito yung recipe ko ngayon. Liver, cow liver. Ito, cow liver. So, gawin ko dito ay slice ko tapos hugasan. Ito yung recipe ko ngayon. Lulutuin ko ngayon for 22 days Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, ilang araw na lang. How many days more left? Siguro mga 8 days inshallah. Nasa March 30 or April 1 ang Eid el-Fitr. Ayan, so magprepara na ako. Ito na yung mga sangkap ingredients ng aking lulutuin ngayon na cow liver. Onions, ginger, garlic, lentils, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, tomatoes with the green chilies and toppings, coriander leaves or parsley, and 1 kilogram of cow liver. So, start na tayong magluto for our dinner for 22 Ramadan fasting. First, we saute the onions. Now, we can put now also garlics. Onions and garlics is already brown. Now we can put now these lentils, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds. And we can put also this ginger. Then tomatoes and green chilies. Walang katapusang pagluluto. Luto every day. Lalo ngayon Ramadan, dapat talaga magluto. Kasi fasting. Now we have to wait this tomatoes become paste. Now we can put chili powder. 1 teaspoon only, and then salt, and turmeric powder. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this liver. Madali lang ito lutuin, itong atay ng baka. Now let's check. After this one, I will transfer in another casserole because I will cook also my rice. But for them, this is good partner for chapati. I will cook only half kilogram of rice for me because, rice is life. Already this coriander leaves for toppings. So cooking rice, after rice, then I cook little pakora and then chapatis. Our iftari and dinner is ready for 22 days Ramadan fasting, alhamdulillah. Chapatis, ayan, bagong loto, sumusok pa. Oranges, fruit chat or fruit salad, dates, chutney, juice or sharbat with tukmalanga seeds or chia seeds, pakoras, and this is cow liver with coriander leaves toppings, and of course white rice. Alhamdulillah for all for the foods for today, and 15 minutes more before open fasting for iftari.